Hello and welcome to Four Clovers Quilting. My name is Diahn. Well, we are into June and Shelley Robson from the Quilted Forest has reached into her magic bucket and drawn number 2. Last month was, I think it was pattern number 1. And mine for May was the Freedom pattern. Can you see that okay? It's dark here and it's a little glary. It is so cute. And I got my top done. This is what my top looks like. Let me just give you a sneak peek. Here is my top. Yay! It turned out really fun. You guys, this was super fast, super fun, and pretty darn easy. So this is what this bad boy looks like. So there we go. I will have a full video coming out shortly. I have it all filmed and I just have to edit it and get it out. So this was the Freedom quilt, project number 1 for May. June, Shelley Robson drew project number 2, which is Smudge. This is a little Villa Rosa pattern and I have been wanting to do this forever. And it's so cute. It's just rectangles and has square triangles. So I think I should be able to bust that out. And it looks like it is about 52 by 70. So it's a decent size. I thought it was going to be a little smaller than that. So I'm pretty matchy. And I just found all of these on a sale. And you need 7 half-yard cuts. 7 half-yard cuts. And I found these. They're all the same fabric in 7 different colorways. So I might just make that work. That's kind of boring, not super exciting, but you know, I think it might be okay. I love turquoise and orange, turquoise and orange together. I think those are really pretty. And I do love a purple and a lime. And I do like a lime and a turquoise. So I think it'll be okay. We're just gonna make that work. So there we go. This is going to be Smudge, and we have all the same fabric. What is that fabric? Let's see if I can just find a little salvage. It is called, well, it's from Blank Quilting pattern 6383. So each one probably has a different number, but there you go. Hey. So anyway, that is what I'm going to do. And we will have Smudge in the books, hopefully, at the end of June. So thank you, guys. This was really quick, really short. And I've got my Christmas jammies on in June. It's supposed to be Christmas in July, but I'm a month early. Anyway, it was so dang hot here today that I just wilted at work. So I came home and got into my jammies immediately. And then I came down here, watched a little YouTube, and then I came down here and thought, I'm going to do a little sewing. I have a side project I started, so tomorrow I maybe should start this guy. So we'll see. We'll see what tomorrow brings. And there you go. Thank you guys so much for coming along on this little short video on what I did in May and what is coming up for June. So thank you guys so very much. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please like, subscribe, share, do all the things. Drop me a comment. It really helps my channel out. And I've been doing this a little over 3 years, and it's just, you know, it's coming. It's slow growing, but I appreciate every single comment, like, share, subscribe. I just thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for everything you've done for me over these last 3 years. And I just am so grateful. Thank you so much. This is Diahn at Four Clovers Quilting. Stay safe, stay happy, and stay creative. See you soon. Bye-bye.